Okay guys, hari ni aku nak share satu video yang menarik bagi aku dan mungkin korang pun minat. Train yang terpantas di dunia. Top 5 country with high-speed train. Yang kelima,
We start our tour with a train that runs between Saragossa and Guadalajara in Spain. This should come as no surprise since as of August 2017, the Spanish Alta Velocidad Española, or just AVE, is the longest high-speed rail network in Europe. With now more than 3,500 kilometers or 2,175 miles, AVE is the second largest high-speed network in the whole world, of course after China. Alta Velocidad Española in Spanish means high-speed rail, but the abbreviation AVE also has another meaning: the bird. Length of the section from Saragossa to Guadalajara is 242 kilometers or 151 miles, and it represents a segment of the Madrid-Barcelona high-speed railway line. The trains cover this distance in only 56 minutes, which gives the average speed of 260 kilometers per hour. Let's say a few words about the types of the EMUs that are used on this line, operated by the state-owned railway company Renfe. AVE Class 103, constructed by Siemens with a maximum speed of 350 km per hour, which is 217 miles per hour. As a curiosity, this class of EMUs achieved amazing 403.7 km per hour, which is 251 miles per hour. That happened on the test run in 2006 on this exact railway line. AVE Class 102, nicknamed Pato or the duck in Spanish because of obviously the nose that looks like the beak of the duck. It is based on Bombardier Transportation's power car technology and was constructed by Talgo with a maximum speed of 350 km per hour. AVE Class 100. This class was the first high-speed train to be put into service in Spain back in 1992. It was manufactured by Alstom and CAF and has a maximum speed of 300 km per hour.
Japan. Shinkansen.
We are now going to Japan. On the Japanese Tohoku Shinkansen line, the Hayabusa service operated by East Japan Railway Company covers the distance of 294 kilometers or 185 miles between the stations of Omiya and Sendai. Scheduled travel time is only 66 minutes, which gives the average speed of 267 kilometers per hour, which is 166 miles per hour. The Shinkansen Hayabusa service uses E5 and D6 train sets manufactured by Hitachi and Kawasaki, capable of reaching 320 km per hour, which is 200 miles per hour. In addition, the E5 series have been chosen for use on the first future high-speed railway line in India, Mumbai-Ahmedabad. This is one very interesting project that we already covered in one of our previous videos, and we kindly recommend you to check that one out. But first, let's go back to Europe.
TGV. France.
We are now in France. And yes, you're right, we're talking about TGV, the French abbreviation for high-speed train. On the so-called East European high-speed line, TGV trains reaches the average speed of 272 km per hour or 169 miles per hour between the stations Lorraine and Champagne. This means that these trains cover the distance of 168 kilometers or 104 miles in only 37 minutes. The service is provided by TGV POS train sets capable of reaching a maximum speed of 320 km per hour. What is interesting here is the fact that until 2013, this was the fastest service in the world when the new record of 284 km per hour was reported. This record was achieved in China on the Shijiazhuang to Zhengzhou service, which is the segment of Shijiazhuang to Wuhan high-speed railway. Our next destination is Italy. On the high-speed railway line from Milano to Bologna, Italian operator Nuovo Trasporto Viaggiatori, or simply Italo, achieves the best score in Europe. Italo, between the stations of Milano Rogoredo and Reggio Emilia, covers the distance of 145 kilometers or 90 miles in only 32 minutes, which is the average of 272 kilometers per hour or 169 miles per hour. Italo is the first private operator to be in the possession of trains capable of reaching more than 300 km per hour. Italo owns 25 AGV train sets produced by Alstom with a maximum commercial speeds of 360 km per hour or 224 miles per hour. Beside AGV, Italo also owns 17 Pendolinos also produced by Alstom. Of course, China. China holds the first place on this list, and the speed record is achieved on the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway line, about whose construction we also made a special video. Anyway, the fastest average speed in China, and therefore on the whole planet, is achieved on the service Beijing-Nanjing. Travel time for the distance of 1022 kilometers is unbelievable 3 hours and 13 minutes. This is the average speed of 318 km per hour or 197 miles per hour. The Fuxinghao train sets that operate on this line are the fastest high-speed trains in China and also the world's fastest high-speed trains in regular service, with a standard speed of 350 km per hour. Since you know we love curiosities, check out this one. Imagine the two trains leaving the Beijing station. The first one departs at 7 p.m. and the second one at 7:04. So there is the interval or headway between them in the amount of 4 minutes. It might seem not too much until you realize that with the speeds of 350 km per hour, at the moment the second train departs, first one would already be 21 km ahead. Anyway, China's achievements in the field of high-speed rail services doesn't stop there. Several other high-speed services in China have exceeded 300 km per hour barrier, and on the full list of fastest average speeds, China holds not first, but the first 4 places.
High-speed train. KLSG harap-harap jadilah high-speed train pertama Malaysia. Okay guys.